ऊंचे लोग, ऊंची पसंद, Manikchand. A group that propelled itself in the direction of success, making its presence felt across 3 continents. This journey of excellence has been made possible due to unstinting efforts of each one of you. ऊंचे लोग, ऊंची पसंद, Manikchand.
दिया जहां को नया उजाला, घर आंगन का सपना सवारा,
रूप रंग को खूब निखारा, पानी की दी निर्मल धारा।
हम हैं ऊंचे लोग, ऊंची पसंद, हम हैं मानिकचंद। स्वाद अनोखा हमने चखाया, ताजगी नई जगाई, खुशियाँ मिलके बांटी हमने, दिल से दी सबको बधाई। हम हैं ऊंचे लोग, ऊंची पसंद, हम हैं मानिकचंद।
ऊंचे लोग, ऊंची पसंद, मानिकचंद।
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the world of Manikchand Group of Industries. Our flagship company is the Dariwar Industries, where we are manufacturing the RMD pan masala and gutka. Our invention is also started in 1981 and we finalized in 1990. So 10 साल तक हम अलग अलग कॉम्बिनेशन इसके बनाते रहे। हम लोग करीबन 50 से ज़्यादा कंट्री में तो एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं इसको।
RMD Pan Masala and Gutka are exquisite preparations made from traditional recipes. Premium hand-sorted ingredients are blended together that they ensure a lingering taste in the mouth and a refreshing feeling in the mind. The Manikchand Group's state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities at Vadodara, Pune and Bangalore are a living example of modern technology harnessed effectively to the traditional methods of making of pan masala. Innovative packaging and marketing strategies have ensured that the products have excellent after-manufacturing support. Manikchand Food and Beverage Division presents Oxyrich, the purest and healthiest form of water with 300% extra oxygen. State-of-the-art manufacturing facilities with international standards. As a result, Oxyrich received globally recognized ISO 22000 certification. For the Pune plant, this 300% more oxygen is patented technology and clinically proven that Oxyrich gives more energy and vitality than any other bottled water.
ऑक्सीरिच हमारा पूरे दुनिया में पहला प्रोडक्ट है जिसमें ऑक्सीजन हमने इन्फ्यूज़ किया है। पैकेजिंग ड्रिंकिंग वाटर में ये अपनी जगह इकलौता पेटेंटेड प्रोडक्ट है जिसका नाम मार्केट में ऑक्सीरिच से जाना जाता है। ऑक्सीरिच का इंस्टॉल कैपेसिटी सब जगह मिलके आज के दिन में 5 मिलियन है। आज में टोटल मिलके 11 फैक्ट्रीज होती है, आगे बढ़कर वो 35-40 फैक्ट्रीज हो जाएगी।
Oxyrich has redefined the bottled water industry, setting the highest standards and giving its people a new perspective, a new way of looking at water. Manikchand Oxyrich, 300% more oxygen. Recharge yourself. Manikchand Packaging Unit set up in 1998 houses modern and sophisticated printing and lamination machineries. such as Heidelberg vertical drum scanner from Tango, Apple Macintosh, Power PCs, engraving, galvano, inks, proofing machines. A superior quality control lab to test incoming and outgoing materials. With measuring equipment like grams and gauges, tensile strength tester, electronic pH meter and manual sealer, Manikchand has successfully established itself as a reliable vendor for laminated packaging materials in India. Presenting Manikchand Nandadeep Paper Products Private Limited. Paper has made such a huge impact on our lives. It is our means to communicate, to reach out, to express ourselves to the fullest.
I'd say we have 2 5-color machines, we have a 4-color machine, we have a 2-color machine, we have a single-color machine. We also have an entirely full-fledged computer stationery setup.
Multicolor printing, accurate punching, dazzling foil stamping, solid embossing, immaculate lamination, UV coating. It's a one-stop shop.
We believe in delivering quality to the customer. We believe in giving the customer what his creative guy has thought of, because a customer to the naked eye does not understand what the creative guy is probably thinking of. We're looking forward to reach the level when Manikchand is the only name you think of when you want something printed.
Our state-of-the-art manufacturing unit near Pune has modern and high-tech equipment and machinery.
अदर कंपनी के स्विच जो है जो 5-7 हज़ार ऑपरेशन में जल जाते हैं स्विचेस, लेकिन हमने ब्रिटिश पैटर्न यूज़ करके स्विच बनाने के वजह से ये 45,000 ऑपरेशन पे मशीन, तो टेस्टिंग मशीन हमने बंद कर दिया। अभी में ये नया प्लग पिन हमने बनवाया है, इसके अंदर वर्ड का कोई भी पिन बैठ जाता है।
Manikchand introduced the Unbreakable series of switches, the first of its kind in India, made of Zytel polyamide and Dupont, recyclable and eco-friendly, high tensile strength and resistance, making it unbreakable. Manikchand has established several commercial and residential projects in Pune and Bangalore.
बेंगलोर में 2 और महाराष्ट्र में पूना के अंदर स्पेशली 2 प्रोजेक्ट बड़े लॉन्च हम करने जा रहे हैं।
True to its belief of providing the best, all the complexes we have built have set new benchmarks in the construction industry. Each project is well planned
क्वालिटी में कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना मानिकचंद ग्रुप का नेचर ही नहीं है।
and uses the best of materials and building technology. Not surprising then that each of our projects has become a landmark on its own. Presenting Manikchand Tea. Brands like Parimal Gold, Parimal, Urmi, Manali, Nirali. A cup of chai is like a fresh lease of life. Morning or evening or any time of the day, tea never lets you down. Manikchand Tea is manufactured and processed at our own tea gardens in Assam. To provide a cleaner and greener environment, the Manikchand Group has made substantial investments